empowerment. These petitions are very deep-rooted design behind these PI. These are not bona fide petitions. These are basically only to create a psycho impression in the young women that you are still inferior. You have some natural issues that you cannot be at par with the male person, and therefore you cannot, during a particular time, you cannot work like that.
My lord,
Where the women platforms coming before us?
my lord, at least on that issue, on the issue of locus, my lord, at least women,
Please understand the long-term
I understand.
adverse impact of these
Yes,
things.
yes, my lord. See,
You want to
the-
create them that
no,
again
no,
that
no,
image
no,
of
that's
victory.
not the intention, my
Why
lord.
are they? They are.
That is not the intention. That is the reality of the society. That's the Your lordship. This in Jaya Thakur, the coordinate bench of this honorable court.
Is this we are completely in agreement with you,
My lord,
and perhaps affirmative action is always recognized. Affirmative action in respect of women
Yes.
is recognized, constitutionally recognized. But look at the practical reality in the job market.
my lord,
The more unattractive the human resource, the less is the possibility of consumption in the market.
my lord. That
These
is
are also factors to be looked
these
into.
these may be factors. I am not saying, your lordship.
We see it only, and you're right, absolutely right. We will see it from the rights regime, but look at it from the business model. Will an employer be happy with the competing claims of other genders?
At least my
You
lord,
understand?
in the rights
Again,
regime.
if someone create a right of taking 3-4 days leave in a month, according to you, who
2 days. 2 days
2
have
days, yes.
this is the state of Bihar, my lord. It's 2 days.
106.
Your lordship may see
the entire private sector? You are creating such a
in the
structural,
beginning, my lord, because it will happen stage wise, my lord. So in the beginning, it could be confined to
Till now.
yes, from 1992.
That
The
means
state of Odisha has, Karnataka has come up. Kerala gave this relaxation in the schools.
to their growth, to their understanding, to their maturity. You do not know the kind of the mindset that stands created in the workplaces, and how then
Lord,
the
may I
authorities
suggest,
start viewing
your
that.
lordship may be absolutely correct on this. I am not getting into this. Since twice this matter has been referred to the central government, at least they could speak with the stakeholders. Number one. Number
All
two,
right, they have understood it.
number two, my lord.
For them to decide.
Number two, at page J, I have given instances. Even private companies voluntarily they have given, considering the problems.
Let them do it voluntarily. If they are doing excellent,
Yes, my lord.
that's a very good thing. For that, let social
I am on public.
awareness,
I am
some campaigns, some sensitization programs can be done if they do it voluntarily. The moment you introduce as a law, as a compulsory condition, you do not know the amount of interest and damage you are going to do their career. Nobody will take them in the big responsibilities.
but
Nobody will in judicial services. People will not assign longer trials even to them.
my lord,
That kind of
at the
impediments
same
will be
time,
there.
the kind of problem they undergo.
Absolutely. Again, we are
As
saying
it
that
will
there is
For that, your lordship may at least ask them at least to respond. I will not go beyond that.
Why should we? You have done your job. That's all. You should sit at home now after informing everyone.
send it to the
My lord,
ministry, earlier ministry.
this was given. Your lordship may see the second order, my lord.
The
If
petitioner has already. And the third time he comes, at least that you I am there, then we'll take some action. Why they unnecessarily become the proponents and the spokesperson for a community who himself have not come before us? Unnecessarily projecting themselves as if they are the harbingers of The petitioner has already brought to the notice of the authorities the issue sought to be raised in this petition. It seems to us that whatever was required to be done at the end of the petitioner, that he has done in the presumably in the interest of for the welfare of the young women, young working women. It is not necessary for the petitioner to approach the court time and again and seek a positive mandamus. Positive mandamus, sir. To doubt that the competent authority will earnestly consider the observations already made by this court in an order of April 24th, February 2023,
And
passing with petition C number 178
724.
and 8th July 2024, in writ petition number so in writ petition number 172 of 2023 and 327 of 2024,
Framing a model policy after taking.
the model policy for consideration by all stakeholders. By all stakeholders.
I'm deeply obliged.
They should understand this will have.
I understand this, my lord. I'm not going there.
Our fear
Difficult
is
to
that
wade
what
into
will happen.
policy, sir. Very difficult to wade into what is weighing with the government in not coming up with a policy which is of an affirmative nature. It's for the government to take the call.
Deeply obliged.